Well, this has been a long time coming. I've been talking to Syre for some time now, and I'm super excited to crack into this box and show you guys what we're gonna cook up today. You guys know about Syre. They are based in St. Petersburg, and they make a handcrafted, super sick carbon frame for us to enjoy. Full disclosure, they sent it to me to use for the next year. First, I'm gonna build it up and use it, and then we're gonna see how it is. Hit that subscribe button here on YouTube to follow the build of this bike, and then just how I'm gonna use it for the next year. I live in the San Francisco Bay Area, and I'm gonna take it on all sorts of single track, fire roads, taking on some sketchy stuff. So what is this bike? This bike is a very capable gravel bike frame. It can take tires up to 2.4 inches. Now that's 2.4 inches is mountain bike territory, you know? And are you kidding me? This is the Amazon blue color, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. What we're gonna do is build this bike up, and we're just gonna use it for the next year. It's gonna be my main go-to bike. It's crazy to see this here right now, like such. This is a one-piece triangle right here with the double drop chainstays, 420 millimeters of chainstay length, so nice and short. I love all the detail and the paint work. Well, I'm gonna build this thing up, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do, I think just out of ease and just being able to get on it quickly, I'm gonna build it up as a flat bar gravel bike just because I have those parts hanging around. I'm gonna build it up with a Rival Axis group set with a flat bar and some hydro mechanical disc brake combo things, I think. And then I'm gonna switch it to a drop bar. And make sure to subscribe if you guys wanna see me build this thing up. That's what the next video will be about. And then, once we build it up, we're just gonna ride the absolute snot out of it. What do we get in the box? Some bearings, some spacers for the stem, I'm assuming. All right, so let's take a look at this fork. Let's go, dude. It's got a hole right here for the fork, or that goes inside the steer tube so that you can have completely concealed and hidden wires. Absolutely gorgeous paint job. That's insane. Here's the Syre Punkcake that takes up to 2.4 inch tires. This thing is going to be an absolute joy to rip on. So follow along. If you have any questions about the frame, drop a comment below. I'll answer your questions, and I'll check you guys in the next video. Peace. Look at it. Look. 2.4 inch clearance. Super beautiful gravel bike right there. Unbelievable. Let's go.